Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and doing well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful cup centerpiece decoration ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, whether you are decorating for wedding, birthday parties, Easter, Mother Days, or simply adding charm to your dining tables, these ideas will inspire you. Our first idea is a fresh flower teacup centerpiece. Choose a pretty teacups filled with flowers, foam, or small glass jar, and arrange fresh flower daisy tulips. Coordination inside, add a few green leaves around the flower. Place the teacup on a matching source. This simple centerpiece look elegant on any tables. Our second idea is a floating candles cup centerpiece. Fill a decorative teacup with clean water. Place one floating candles on top. Add a few flowers scattered around the candles. When the candles lit, it creates a warm and peaceful atmosphere. And dear viewers, my next idea is frames. So frames, so viewers, this idea is perfect for evening dinner, special celebration, or it's me. And pearl flower centerpiece. Fill the cup with artificial flower. Decorate the edges with pearl beads or lace ribbon. Place the cup on a decorative with a few pearls around it. The finished design look elegant and luxury. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, I will see you in the next video.